Hello. This video is entitled The 10 Commandments of Customer Service. 1. Customers are the most important people in our business. 2. Customers are not dependent on us, we are dependent on them. 3. Customers are not an interruption of our work, they are the purpose of it. 4. Customers do us a favor by dining at our restaurant. We are not doing them a favor by serving them. 5. Customers are an integral part of our business and should be treated with respect no matter what your views are upon your introduction. 6. Customers are not to be argued with or to match wits with. We need to be friendly, polite, and courteous at all times. 7. Customers bring us their needs and wants. It is our job to provide them with the most courteous and attentive service we can provide. Your gratuity usually depends upon it. 8. Customers are the lifeblood of our business. Without them, all of us would have to seek employment elsewhere. 9. Customers should be cared for and attended to as you, yourself, would like to be treated. 10. Customers' needs should be treated in a way that goes above and beyond their expectations. Remind yourselves of a question. Would you want that served to you that way, or would you want to be spoken to that way, or do you think that I did the best I could for the customer?